Welcome back to another video. We'll show you the content. Today's a big day for us.
Oh, I was like, what are you talking to? Oh, I'm so tall. Look, you can't even see. Good morning. Okay.
There's some pure. We'll have to fix
I'm on 52.
Put this in our fruits.
I'm
So this is better.
You want me to make some coffee?
Yeah, sure. Sorry, guys. Here we go. Now I think you can see. So, today, big day for us. We got 2 big meetings. One here in about 30. God dang it.
What?
It fell. We got 2 big meetings. Today's a big day for us. We got 2 big meetings. One for about 30 minutes, less than 30 minutes, with Print Island. We will be featured on Print Island. And it's not just our first time on Print Island. We'll be on that platform for many times in the future. With Mr. Tim Mitchell. I know you guys are like, Carl, why are you eating while doing this? Well, this is straight out of content, so you know how I do. I'm always eating. While Chelly making coffee, we're getting ready. About to set up the skimmer on the computer, have our meeting, have our episode, talk about DTF, talk about a lot of things about DTF that a lot of DTF printers aren't involved in. A lot of DTF printers aren't involved in direct manufacturing. There's a few, there's some large people, but they really, either they are involved and they don't speak, or they aren't involved and they print a lot and then they have their own platform. And there's like this niche community. Chelly and I are in both. We're in both the DTF community, but we're more primarily in the whole printing community. The DTF community really is a small niche, or niche, however you want to say it. It's not as big as we thought it was. It's definitely getting big and global, but that's to make profits and make money, because it's really easy to sell this machine and get you to believe, hey, you can make all this money with it and all this other stuff. Meanwhile, the big dogs are killing it. They're the ones that are kind of becoming like the Walmart of DTF. Yes, you can have a nice small business like us, pay your bills, have a good amount of money, make a few $100,000 a year and keep it breezy. That's definitely possible, but that's rare and far and few in between. And then you even have some people like a Miss Kai. She's done. She's out of the industry. She made a few $1 million, but she's out because it's extremely stressful. You got to print every day. The equipment is very different than anything else, and it's the only printing process that requires finishing. Yes, some things require finishing as far as like cutting, but as far as after you print, you do not have a finished product. Whereas UV, you have a finished product, roll to roll, eco-solvent, sublimation, pretty much everything else. Whenever you print, you have the finished product ready to go. You don't have to do another step. So we're gonna be talking about that on Print Island, and then we have a big conversation with our manufacturer to continue to provide the Smart Shaker to you at a reasonable price, extremely fast, and always keep it on hand. So that's gonna be tonight. But right now we're about to go have this conversation, and we'll do some behind the scenes of it too, so stay tuned. We are setting up for our meeting with Timothy Mitchell, the practical printer. We are going to be on the Print Island show. More than a podcast, more than, you don't even like podcasts. It is a show. See his awesome eclectic background. We got this simple.
We just moved in.
Yeah, but look at all that.
Yeah, it's very artsy.
Yeah.
I like it. Beautiful.
All the rugs, everything. So,
All right.
knock this baby out. With the practical printer, Timothy Mitchell. So,
Yeah,
that's
I'll send it out to you. I'll send this out to you if you like.
Say hi.
Say hello, Timothy.
That's Tim Mitchell, guys. We're about to have our meeting. Don't forget to go subscribe right now to the Practical Printer on YouTube. I'll put all the information down below. But
You guys live stream?
no, this is for behind the scenes that we'll post later,
Oh,
and then we'll tag you and everything so that they can go and follow.
Okay.
All right.
Charlie, what do you know?
About to keep achieving my goals and passions
Of
and
what?
not manifest my future. So,
what?
the Cowboy Carter. If anybody would like to donate to the Cowboy Carter funds, we're trying to make it to the funds. I'm gonna press me a shirt so I can wear it today.
16 carriages.
I'm hungry. What can I buy?
Bye.
I'm gonna make something.
You better buy that Taco Bell you had last
That was
night.
delicious.
$37.
That was the best thing. Oh, you know what? I'll get you pressing. All right, you're about to press one of our transfers.
Okay.
You gonna hot peel it?
Into the no.
You still don't hot peel?
I sure don't. I'm an OG. Okay.
Hey, Chelly's an OG.
I'm an OG. We didn't have hot peel back in my day. Ain't gonna start it now.
That is too funny. They just hot peel it.
Honey, do you think I'm a risk?
Baby, it's 2025. You ain't even gonna get it right. You didn't even fold it for the middle.
I don't need to. Beyonce doesn't
It ain't even
care
hot
about
enough.
that. She doesn't care.
It's not even hot enough. It's only a 200.
I know, I'm not supposed to feel it. I'm just prepping.
I'm hungry. What are you gonna make me?
I'm going to Ross.
Oh, you gonna grab me something on the way back?
Oh.
Come on, babe. You and Lou are gonna eat out.
We're not. And that's our business.
Yeah, you just, how do you lie and agree at the same time?
It's not.
Stop.
What's wrong with that? This is 2025 modern day.
That's not what's gonna be
Women
happening.
work.
You might not even have to
Women
go.
leave and
You
work
might not
and
even
go
go.
get the bacon, and men stay at home
Yo, you are the most
And clean.
disrespectful.
and have my dinner ready
How
when I
did
get home.
I get this? I
and
got
have
us
them
here.
deposit,
Yo, you're not
and
going.
do a little
Yeah,
laundry
you're
while
not
I'm
going.
out.
You're not going.
And if I come home to a dirty house,
You're not going.
I want you in a robe when I get home.
You're not going. You're not going.
Massage my feet
You're
when I
not
get
going.
home.
I can tell.
I want you in something
Because
nice.
you're already starting. You already
Something
started.
nice when I
So
get
you're not
home.
going.
So I have something nice to look at since
You're
I've
not
been
going.
out all day.
You're not going. So it don't even
So-
matter. Get your hands off of me.
Get ready.
You filthy animal. Is this thing ready?
It's at 280. So okay, so then I need you to record for my video.
I'm not recording for you.
Here, right here, come on.
I'm not recording nothing from you because you won't stop talking trash. Get out my shot.
Here.
Like you chin.
Wide angle me.
Oh my God, you do everything.
Yes,
in the
I
worst
do, because
angle.
I am wide angled. It's not the worst. Our
It's
videos
the
look
worst.
great.
They don't.
Okay.
You
I
better
can
hit.
see my foot. Okay, let's not
Thank
do it.
you, dirty feet.
Your favorite. Tell your friends.
Tell
You
my
like
friends-
dirty feet.
Hey, you better hit record.
Tell your friends how gross you are.
How am I gross? Everybody likes dirty feet.
Comment down below if you like. Ooh.
Yeah, not strong, struggling. This gonna come out so bad. You better not hot peel that.
Ow, I
You're
can't.
in the shot.
I worked in
Yeah,
the
you better let
day.
that go. Stop! All right, I guess you don't want to record it.
I do. I
Yeah, well then stop messing with me. Oh, there is a big echo in here. You are fanning like it's 1995.
Honey, I'm old school.
You do not have to fan.
Yeah, I'm the fan.
Well, let's.
Yeah, my fan.
That's what you get. I got a plug over there if you need it.
16.
That's what you get for letting it cool.
Hold on. Are you
Yeah.
recording this?
Yeah,
Are you getting it? Get
I'm
this.
getting it. You're in my shot.
16.
What are you doing?
I'm set. Look at all that damn bandit. I'm sorry.
Oh
Look
my
at all that
God.
banding. I can't wear this. Throw it away.
Yes, you can. It looks.
That banding popped out more. Hunty.
You the one
Cut
that.
it.
You the one
Cut
that
it.
wanted it like that. You wanted it like that.
Hunty. Oh,
You said it was okay. I told you let me reprint it. Nobody can even tell.
okay, I can't tell.
It just looks distressed.
You're right. I'm about to put it on.
Oh shit. And you won't feed me. Get your
I got something that you can eat.
ew.
Come